Today, I will share the 3D design of the new project. Looking at these components, can you guess what device this is? This is the bottom part of the device, which includes the power port, a potentiometer, and a motor. Once I have the 3D design, I will export the file for 3D printing. The motor I use is small and can run on 3 volts to 9 volts power supply. The potentiometer will be used to control the speed of the motor. Here comes the design, including the upper part. By now, you can probably guess what this device is, right? Yes, exactly. This is a low-cost, homemade 360-degree photography turntable, electric rotating turntable. Details of assembly of the real device will be in the next video. Thank you for watching.